Dear students, so in this video we are going to discuss NCERT class 11 work power energy chapter examples problem number 1. See that example 6.1, find the angle between the force and displacement and also find the projection of F on D. That means here angle asking. So force value given as, that is 3 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 5 K cap unit, and D, that is a displacement, is equal to 5 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 3 K cap. So force value given, displacement value given, angle value asking. Okay, so now let's derive. Dear students, say examples problem number 6.1. So in this question, first we can write a given value, that is F vector is given, that is F vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 5 K cap, and then displacement is equal to 5 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 3 K cap. Now we should find the angle D, theta. So now let's see the solution. You know very well here force and displacement concept. So the force vector, displacement vector. So this is, you know the formula F vector dot D vector we can write as, that is FD cos theta. So therefore cos theta is equal to F vector value into D vector value dot product, then after that magnitude of F vector and magnitude of D vector. So after found these values, we should apply in this equation. So now let's find that value here. First F vector dot D vector. So F vector value 3 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 5 K cap dot displacement value 5 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 3 K cap. Therefore, so we know very well I vector I cap dot I cap is equal to 1. I cap dot any value, maybe I dot j, I dot k, that is equal to 0. So already you know that dot product basic idea. So I can write only multiple with I to I, j to j, then k to k. So first I, so 3I into 5I. Okay, so I can write multiple here. So this is, we can write as 15. I dot I is equal to 1, 3 into 5, that is 15. Next 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. Next minus 5 into plus 3. So that is minus 15. So plus 15 minus 15 will be cancelled. So finally we found F vector dot D vector is equal to 16 unit. We no need mention unit. In the textbook itself given as unit. force also some unit, D also some unit, so we can write some unit, that's all. So the numerator F vector dot D vector is ready. Next, individually we want to find what is F value, like that, what is D value, then we have to substitute. So how to find that F value now? Simple, you should find F vector dot F vector. Okay, so how to find the F vector in the F vector? So we can find the magnitude, very simple, F vector, that is 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap. So again one more time, 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap, minus 5 k cap. So now again multiple, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, here minus 5 plus, so plus 25. So 9 plus 16 plus 25, so this is equal to 50. So we can write F vector dot F vector. So magnitude wise we can write as, this is like F squared. So F squared is equal to 50 unit. Okay, therefore F equal to root 50. Okay, so the root 50 unit, root 50 some unit. So F vector is ready, that is root 50. Like that, the next we are going to find the D value, the same idea. So D vector dot D vector equal to, D value alone we can write as D value, that is 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 3 k cap. Again one more time, 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 3 k cap. So multiple, 5 into 5 25 plus 4 into 4 16 plus 3 into 3 9. So 25 plus 16 plus 9. So this is also equal to 50 unit only. So we can write, this is like D square. So D squared equal to 50 units. So therefore D is equal to root 50 unit. So now we found D value also. Okay, so now let's we substitute in the cos theta formula. Therefore cos theta equal to F vector D vector 16 unit, that is I can write 16 divided by F value root 50. So root 50, then D value that is also root 50. So 16 divided by root 50 into root 50 we can write as, that is 50. Therefore cos theta equal to 16 divided by 50. 16 divided by 50, that is equal to 0.32. Already I calculated, so 0.32. Therefore we need theta only, because in this question they are asking find the angle between force and displacement. So the theta is equal to cos inverse of 0.32. Okay students, I hope you understood this question. Thank you.